Hello and welcome back. This is Steve about Coins and welcome to the channel. This is the final one, and the sixth and final coin in the Glacier series. This is Venus. We have a mintage of 1950, as we have with all of the coins. It is the same diameter and weight as the UK. The portrait of Charles on this is not a very good one. For me, it's an awful portrait. And on here we have Venus. Now the Venus Glacier is on the east coast of the Alexander Island. It's 10 miles long and 6 miles wide. Its place in the glacier system is it's lying between the Keystone Cliffs and Triton Point. Now, if it's like the rest of the coins, and I don't see any reason why it isn't. Where's my pointy stick gone? Oh, there it is. You'll find that on the back, on the left-hand side of the coin, you have a circled area. That is where the Venus Glacier is in comparison to the rest of the area around it. You have the goddess Venus there, which is being portrayed also here, and you have the planet there. This, let me just bring that down a little bit more and bring the coin a little bit more into focus, into the area. We have the name of the goddess or god there at the top of the coin, and we have the value at the bottom. This one is the final one in the series. There's only 6, so the 2 that miss out are Pluto and Jupiter. Pluto could perhaps understand a bit more than Jupiter, because it has been a planet and then it was declassified from a planet to a planetoid, I think it was, and then it went blah 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 blah. So I could perhaps understand why that one wasn't included. However, for the life of me, I can't understand why there isn't one for Jupiter. So I'm going to give you a bit of additional information. Both the Pluto and Jupiter do have a glacier in this area. The Pluto one is on the east coast of Alexander Island. It's 10 miles long and 4 miles wide, and it is by George VI Sound, north of Succession Cliffs. The Jupiter one, which is the other one that's missing from this series and has not been issued, is a glacier off the southeast coast of Alexander Island. It's 10 miles long, 5 miles wide, and it runs from the George VI Sound to the south of the Appleton Valley. And so those are the 2 that aren't in the series, those last 2, Pluto and Jupiter. As I say, I can't understand the reason for Jupiter not being there. Pluto, a little less so. I could perhaps understand why that one's not there. But even so, if they're doing a series of glacier planetary name coins, surely they should have done at least one for Jupiter. However, there is 6 coins in the set, and I've now covered them. There are 2 missing from the planets. Obviously, the Earth is missing, but then again, the Earth isn't one of the we live on the Earth. It's not one of the planets that the other planets that make up the solar system. I'm a little disappointed that they did only 6 if they're looking at covering the planet glacier system. It just doesn't make sense. But, and I said this on every video, that I don't understand why there are only 6 and not 8, or at least 7. However, Pobjoy, who issued this coin for BAT, have these individual cards on sale. I'm not sure if they have all 6 still, but they certainly have got some of the individual planet ones on this coin card. They also do a set of 6. However, I am not sure whether they are all carded or whether they are just the coins put into a plastic coin, one of the plastic coin holders. So I don't know how they come, those particular individual ones that you order as a group of 6. So that's this series now complete. If you've watched all the videos, what do you think of them? I've actually enjoyed this series. It's been something a little bit different. As I say, I have a gripe about at least one of the planets not being accepted and not having a coin for it. But there you go. It is what it is. If you've enjoyed this series, or you've enjoyed this particular video, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And also, if you've not yet subscribed, and you believe I deserve, could you please hit that subscription button? It doesn't cost you anything again, and it helps me out immensely. I am in the process of hoping to get to 250 by New Year's Eve 2023. I set myself that target at the beginning of the year, and I'm close to getting to it. I have over 200 subscribers now, which I'm very thankful for, and to all the new subscribers, thank you so much for joining me. If you believe I deserve it, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, some collectibles, some militaria. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.